Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is one of those days that I want to show you one of these best and also somehow it is popular Turkish food that I normally prepare for my Turkish family. I know you're gonna love it, and I want you to watch so that you can learn also from me and try to prepare at home, especially if you are into Turkish food, Turkish cuisine, Turkish people, Turkish culture. You're gonna love this one. It is so simple, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and so let's go to my kitchen and I'll be showing you this amazing, delicious, super nutritious Turkish food. Okay, so let's go. So first we're gonna need to put some olive oil on a pan and then add in our minced meat and try to separate it, like to spread it all over the pan. Okay, this is the first step we're gonna be doing. After this, we're gonna be actually kneading our eggplant. If you don't know, Turkish people love eggplant so much. It is like a national plant, like a vegetable that deserves, someone told me it deserves a passport. So we're gonna actually be removing the top part. Okay, you have to remove the top part because we don't need it right now. And then what we're gonna do is actually try to peel some of the cover or some of the outer cover. Okay, so I normally use this this small tool to actually remove it slowly by slowly until I get fine eggplant that I want to bake or I want to use. Okay, once we are done, we're gonna check on our meat. As you can see, I'm just spreading everything together and trying to split them up so that we do not have big clumps. Okay, so we're gonna need to get our eggplants. I'm using two. You can use two, three, four, depending on how many people you are actually serving. Okay, these are around 600 grams. I'm not sure, but they have good weight and they are good to actually make a meal for two, four, or three people. So I'll actually slice them into cubes like so. And then once I slice them, because normally eggplants, when you actually when they are fresh, not even fresh, eggplants have two types of liquid inside. Like they normally remove some bitter liquid, so I normally put some salt and then mix together, and then I just leave it there for a few minutes. Meanwhile, as you can see, our minced meat is almost ready, and let's add in some spices and some other stuff. So you can add in more spices, but I have kids, that's why I'm not adding a lot of them. So we're gonna be needing just some onions, some sweet chilies, and some tomatoes, but you can add as much as you want. Okay, depending on individual favorism or favor. I don't know. Anyway, let's add in our onions like so, and then just spread everything together. Remember, I'm cooking on a low heat because we don't want to make it to burn. And then when they are a little settled, you're gonna add in your chilies. If you have extra spices, you can add in as well. Okay, and then just make sure that you are keeping an eye on it. On the other side, you're gonna need to put some oil on a pan. I'm using olive oil, and you can use any oil you have actually. And then once you are doing like cooking, once the onions, the chilies, and everything is put together with the minced meat, you're gonna add in some tomatoes and add in some tomato paste. Okay, and then mix everything together very well so that it can get all the flavors together. And then remember, our oil is almost done, so we're gonna leave it to cook for a few minutes and then work on our eggplants. The eggplants, as you can see, it has removed a lot of bitter water that we don't need. Wash it or rinse it out and then put somewhere whereby you can remove excess water. I normally use this kitchen towel just to remove excess water like so, and then make sure that we do not have extra water. And then I'm gonna dip inside the oil and then let it fry until golden brown. Okay, so I'm keeping an eye on them, all of them. And also I'm checking my food if it is ready. It's just on a low heat. I know it's not burning, but as you can see, it is still cooking little by little. So this time around, I'm gonna add in my salt. Remember, you do not need to add more salt in the food. Okay, you're gonna add in like so, and then make it to mix everything together to get all the flavors together. Okay, meanwhile, we're gonna check on our eggplants. As you can see, they are turning golden brown, which we want. We don't want them to be too much like too much burning, but we just want that good golden brown color. Okay, so as you can see, they are actually looking so sweet, and we can actually start thinking of diving or putting everything together now. Checking back the food that we had previously cooked, the minced meat, as you can see, it is already done, like it is ready cooked. So we're gonna add in our fried eggplants like so. Okay, just take them and then add inside, and then once you add everything inside, mix everything gently. Remember, the eggplants are already cooked, half cooked actually, almost cooked, let me just say, because we fried all of them. And then you're gonna want to mix everything together like so. If you want, you can add little water, but if you don't want, you can just leave it like that on a low heat and then cook for about 10 minutes or so, and then the food will be ready. As you can see, it's looking so yummy. Serve with some yogurt beside and some Turkish bread or anything you want, even rice or bulgur pilau if you want. For me today, I'll be eating with some Turkish bread. It's so yummy. I kid you not. Try this food and you're gonna thank me later. It is one of my favorites. You can make it for dinner, for lunchtime, and enjoy your food. I think we are done, and off you too soon. If you have watched my videos up to there, I want to say thank you so much for those people who have been liking, commenting, and also just leaving your thoughts, subscribing. Thank you so much. You guys, you don't know how much happy I am. Without you, I could not be where I am right now. Let's keep on subscribing, liking, and actually sharing my videos. And until next time, again, I'll see you. Bye. Görüşürüz. Auf Wiedersehen.